And she writes, "My throat is yours. You're going to be the death of me, but I don't care." And then you write, "I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury." I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
And so you text her rears, tears, beers, shears, sapphires, leers, jeers, queers, hears, fakirs, mouseketeers, ears. I can go all night, DJ MaxiPad. The old vintage motherfucker you went for, dumbass. Did I read that right?
I was signing off as dumbass.
And then below that, Paul Bettany's a good friend that you've done drugs with, right?
That's a strange question. Paul Bettany is a good friend. Yes.
You've done drugs with him?
Yes, I have.
Cocaine, right?
Cocaine, yes.
Alcohol?
Alcohol, yes.
Pills, including Xanax and Adderall, right?
That I'm not so sure of.
Okay.
Where's he gone?
And that's you in the video, Mr. Depp, right?
That's correct, sir.
And you would agree that you were violent in that clip, correct?
Clearly I was having a bad time. I don't know what it was with regard to completely at this point, since I don't know the date, but being illegally recorded by your chosen other is, well, it's quite fitting with the rest of the photographs and tape recordings she made. So I thought what was most interesting is that she tried to hide it from me, and then that she laughed and smiled at the end. I thought that was the most interesting part myself. But so yes, I did assault a couple of cabinets, but I did not touch Miss Heard.
And she didn't like it when you were high on drugs or drunk on alcohol, right?
She didn't like it when it was her perception that I was high on drugs. Okay. Her perception is quite different than the truth. I once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much. Sorry.
All right. That was a special box that you carried cocaine in, wasn't it?
The box was a gift from someone. I can't say that I carried cocaine in it, no.
You can't say that you carried cocaine in that box?
No, but it looks like it would fit some cocaine. The advice that I was given was to not to fight.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
All right. I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
I have had many creative conversations with the Disney people, even to the point of where they were asking me to come back and write Pirates.
No.
Sorry.
What Disney executives told him.
We can move on.
If you want to just restart.
So, I see. But, so I can read it out of someone's article, but not from the man's mouth. Is that what happens?
Next question.
What the ACLU and their team had to say, they clearly described to Ms. Heard that...
I'll move to strike this as hearsay, Your Honor.
All right, I'll do that. Next,
And I appreciate...
Sorry, it's evidence.
sorry. Next question, okay?
Johnny Depp allegedly showed up drunk to movie premiere, reports say. Did I read that
Allegedly
correctly?
Reports say. This is hearsay. is
June
it not?
21st,
Your
2018,
favorite word.
6 months before the op. And you understand, Mr.
Many
Depp,
things.
you understand, Mr. Depp, that
I believe the 18th
in
was
2 years
quite
before...
possibly, was quite possibly, maybe that was the online version that came out first.
2 years
So,
before
there's a
either the
very
online or the
different-
print.
I'm sorry, I was just
No,
going
I
to
think,
finish
I
my
think you
answer.
answered my question, sir. Thank you.
Oh,
2 years before the online, and I'm going to ask you that question again, because I think it's a pretty simple yes or no question, which is,
you'd like
other,
it to be, sir.
other-
Nothing's simple in this case.
other than mentioning the fact